5. Release.
Lift off the Atlas V rocket and twin spacecraft on a mission to unlock the mysteries of Earth's Van Allen belts.
Booster engine continues to perform well. Pump speeds within parameters, injector pressures are stable. Booster fuse gone close to control. And we throttle back. Copy, or correction that we did not throttle back. The roll program is complete. Coming up on max Q, body rates continue to look good. Max Q. Booster engine continuing to operate nominally. Max Q. Vehicle continues to fly well. Dynamic rates look good. And boosters throttled back. Engine response looks good. PU continues to control nominally. Current altitude is 11.2 nautical miles. Downrange distance 8.1 miles. Velocity is 2,340 miles per hour.
Atlas Propulsion LC. Go ahead. Start Atlas Propulsion and hydraulics securing. Roger.
Range track shows the vehicle making good progress right down the middle of the corridor.
Start pneumatic and CEC system securing.
And closed loop Q alpha steering has been enabled. Vehicle body rates look good. Also have performed some roll bias pointing. Looking for the RCS pyro valve activation momentarily. And we have the pyro valve firing. And that system's now pressurizing to flight level. Signatures look good. Current altitude is 31 miles. Downrange distance 50.5. Velocity 5,083 miles per hour. And the Q alpha steering portion of the booster flight has been completed. Approaching our 5G throttle segment, currently accelerating at 4 Gs. And the booster has now begun to throttle to maintain 5 Gs. Pogo pyro vent has been fired. Boost phase chill down is underway. And we've throttled back to 4.6 Gs in preparation for BECO. Boost phase cool down is complete. And at BECO, engine shutdown looks good. We have retros and stage separation. Looks like a clean set. We have LOX and fuel pre-start. GN2 purge firing on the RCS is underway. We have ignition and full thrust on the RL-10. Looking for payload fairing jettison momentarily. And we have indication of payload fairing jettison. Looks like a clean set. And Centaur steering has been enabled, and the PU has been commanded to fixed angles for the early portion of this 9-minute and 15-second burn. RL10 chamber pressures, LOX pump discharge, and venturi pressures look to be within band for the set mixed ratio. RCS line temperatures are warming towards bottle temperature. Current altitude is 106 miles. Downrange distance is 429 miles. Current velocity is 11,794 miles per hour. Range track shows the vehicle progressing nicely down the middle of the corridor. Quick check of booster performance shows that we are plus 0.36 sigma high on Atlas stage performance. At this point, Centaur PU is operating in closed loop control. However, it continues to request an oxidizer-rich condition as it works off the excess oxidizer. Current center altitude is 128 miles, downrange distance is 603 miles. Current velocity is 12,175 miles per hour. Range track looks good. Coming up on the format change here momentarily. And we have had the format change, just a minor loss of data at that point. All Centaur systems continue to look very good. Centaur PU is now operating near nominal mixture ratios. Engine response looks good. Chamber pressures are still stable. Pump discharge and fuel venturis look good. Current altitude is 129 nautical miles, downrange distance 875, velocity 12,844 miles per hour. Continue to look good on the range track, right down the middle of the corridor. And Centaur has achieved the head-on gate.